Hey guys, today what we're going to be looking at is the program Scratch 2 that you can see in the middle of my desktop. I'm going to double click on that. Now as it opens, I'm going to quickly say that this is a programming software to create animations and games depending on your different skill levels. So this is what it basically looks like. Now I realise that my head might be in the way, or my dialog box here might be in a little bit of the way of our different scripts. So I'll move it over a little bit. But I can't have it down in this right hand corner either, because that is where quite a few of the icons appear that I need to use. So these are our scripts and these are our headings for our scripts. This is called a sprite. Okay, we always start off with the same cat sprite, and we can change the background, so it's called a stage, and the things that we put on the stage are a backdrop, just like in drama class. So if I click on that, I can choose from a range of different backdrops. If I exit out of that, I can double click on my so that's my sprite, so that's telling me that that's my sprite. I can change my sprite by going to the library, and that gives me all these different sprites to choose from. Now we're going to start off with a simple bit of code today, and that's going to be making our sprite kitty here count. Okay, now to do that, we always want to start off with our headings here, and we always want to start off in an event, and that event is going to be whether it is space, when backdrop switches to, and stuff like that. It's easy to start with the green flag, so that's like the go flag. Okay, so that's okay, we've got that set up. We're then going to have to create a variable, okay, because the variable is going to be him counting in seconds. So what we're going to make that variable is seconds. Okay, we've then made the variable seconds. If we go set seconds to 0, that way every time I press that green flag up here, it's going to set our variable to 0, and that's what we want. So if I then go to control, and now I'm not going to put a limit on the amount that he counts, I'm going to make it forever. He's going to keep counting until he gets to infinity and beyond. So we're then going to go to data, we're going to go change seconds by 1, and control, wait 1 second. So he's going to be, sorry, that needs to go up there. So waiting a second and then change it. But we want the kitty here to be counting, so we want him saying something. So if we go to looks and we go say, we don't want it to be 2 seconds, we want it to be 1 second, and we can change anything in a white box. We can actually change with one of our variables. So if I go seconds in there, so say seconds for 1 second, wait 1 second, and then change seconds by 1. So if I press our green flag, and there we go, he's counting in seconds. Okay, fantastic. Okay, and as you can see up the top there, our variable's also changing, and that's what we want to happen. So now I need to stop that. Okay, fantastic. Now that's all working, my codes are working. Now if I want to make a new backdrop, I'm going to make him counting on a beach, because that's where I would like to be at the moment, on a beach, having a relax. We'll go okay, and there we go. So now if I press that, he's going to be counting on the beach. So that's all sorted out. As you can see as well, I've selected the stage with the backdrop, so I can actually assign events, control, sensing and stuff. I can assign all my scripts to the backdrop. So if I want anything to happen, I can actually do that, and that's successful. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something.